Wagari mi yegbe. Aren na yeso yahu. Oye no ye ode no da. Uncle Tony Ogbebo, I want to use this medium to appreciate you again. Able where one good tongues deserve another. You know, I appreciate you. I don't really know you from Adams, but you love my way, you love the way I do things, and you choose to take me as your brother, as a friend, as a son. Because you be my elder brother. So I'm so surprised. When I carry this one go market, when I go put in, people they ask me, say, this one Baba. They even say I Boston he were me phone where they know tire me me gift here. So I will keep on appreciating you. Oga to the Ogbebo the way from UK. I mean, in fact, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. The phone where money man. Mama. Me away me win away there and the phone. There is also the phone. Therefore, I'm not trying to show where you don't know better. What I will mean who appreciate it. Therefore, therefore, how why analyze and afidodo. So the Ogbebo, I appreciate you. You are a great man. You are a great man. You are a great man. MC officer, if they say you don't arrange meeting with you to discuss certain issue with you, but no avail. Please wish to. Why you know inbox me? Must you come to my live video and write me now? You see the one after the one the sport things. You write me. I'm always a busy man. I dey work. If you call me, I know you know where to see me. So if you really want to see me today that weekend, you go call me. I will tell you where to see me. You understand? Anyway, you are my son. I will always listen to you. You understand? So I beg, may I just enjoy myself this one at weekend. Uncle Ogbebo, you are a great man. Sabo Adebawe. Why analyze and afidodo. Mama we no get me team na iwa na we see iwa appreciate you because my easy emo give webo my easy every that time why ma bo no waru po webo no wa vi po ti gian better my easy. So when I can webo when boss house on egwe who appreciate it. That's what I'm away December. Anytime the man give me go, he must suppose to. I must appreciate that person because it's not easy. I'm gonna get webo. I never years it's so that webo. Next year I am a worse than so them here. So anybody not really will you born $1, £1, €1 you go appreciate it. Abroad is not an easy place. Go there and see. On the one part near us anywhere. Ugabe maniko dori keke manirema aluga waro iga yewebu iga yewebu. I remember that many of our youth here in Loto some survive, some must survive. So I brought the work you know easy. If you're one winner, I wear it's all on winning I say winning for. So I want to really go. Who you are you know no mama music again. We give no care we body go me. On my easy on my repent we go. You appreciate that person. Yeah, Melody Noga, superstar. Melody, you are a great man. So what I'm trying to say in essence is this. On one we yo bogwe, on we yo bodu, on my easy. I don't know if you understand. So no we no but we so very no do we with a man. Or one idea we meet with a webo. You have to appreciate that person. So that tomorrow I maybe you know. Up say oh when away. Any me will be people in the diaspora. My friends, they may mind there. Osaba, okay, so I see. People like Nusa Osawaro, Honorable Sawaru. People like Osamui. Evo Bungbe, best wearer for wear. Evo Bungbe, Ave Pajesu Obo, Nore America, Olowo money America. Evo Bungbe, Onema me atitai, Onema Magushi, Mama Canada, Onema no Vivi Gume, Idi Obaseki, Evo Bungbe. So when somebody honor women when you appreciate it, I want to buy a your gume, even Bungbe, they told you above your gume. Let me show you people. Let me show you. I will who appreciate guy. This is from Tony Ogbebo. There is Bibi and only Larry. There and only Larry. You see, in my real work, there Vigovi. There so I'm okay with I will win you keep on appreciating that person. Because of honest or when I win of it. Easy. You guys are trying. I didn't know most of you people from Adams is through that election period. And you people fell in love with me and you have been assisting me in one way or another. It's so I could have a I will go there. So I just want to clear one head this morning. When some of you under me is spray ego and spray money in the dance. Don't try to make me understand where he is exaggerate or if illegal. I'm not. I'm doing it for a purpose. You cannot expect me, somebody not veer back in another government. Tomorrow you will call me where a Boston or tell me how we marriage or anything. Then you expect me not to go there. Then you do say then I will not even spray it down. So your ways is not my way. I have reasons of what I'm doing, and today I'm a beneficiary of it. And I think two, 3 days ago, my mother came to my house telling me where people is telling her he should talk to his son that and I made my mother understand one thing, that I said when I with my one day who's the guy in the mama with me here. I know the way no help him. So I remember vividly when we went to Manayi Kwokpa, the Delta State, and my mother family they were having crisis. And when we got to the dance, and we have to run for our dear life. It should be around 12-13 years ago. And as so one woman was just ranting where we should come and live near the Gwali Masiva. And somebody that called me and said, able for civil. That's my father guy name for say. So one man who heard the name. The man came out. Away able for say. Which was say are you talking about? Is it the one in Bini that says in Ogola in Siloko Road? In a way, yes. Or where is your father? Or what you in a way, yes. Or where your father did a lot for me. And he asked me to call my father, and I called my father and they spoke. And at the end of it, we did do he accommodated us. I wish my father did wrong to that man years back. What do you think will happen to us? So please, when you see me, I go to somebody's dance. I go there, I will appreciate that person. I don't want momency or when I win or win. I remember February 14th when I did my birthday, just get together. He may invite him and Obun, just few people, because I was not willing to celebrate that birthday. But my wife and my friend Abatoba said they just did it for me because we might take with my wife in my apartment, some few friends. And I was surprised when I got to the venue, it don't give me a look. And at the end of it, people came to my birthday. I was shocked. They sprayed. Even now, female, daughter. Even now, female. I was never more than 4 million. So I was shocked. Where women, I was no was. There were few numbers. A phone call away, I invited her, and I got the money. I neutralized it. Because anything you really man, people will also do it back to you. When man query pay, if you will repeat. I think there's one of my brother logo. He called me last week away Boston, where I was in a beer parlor. People were discussing your name in Italy, and we were all discussing. We were talking, and somebody there that said, "The Boston you are talking about, look at his elder brother." And many of them are, and they called me on video call. I spoke to them now to whatever. Since that day, a person anywhere has a bar. Anywhere he goes to, people will always buy drink from anywhere or tables stone. So what I'm trying to say is this: I think I will mark, but there's no perfection in humanity. I have my own bad side. But they said in my out of 100, if I'm able to get 51%, I think you are good to go. So please, when you see me, we cool if you know, don't let it be your problem. Don't let it be your problem. I know what I'm doing, and the thing has been working for me. So please, he just God, no human being. He just God. Anybody around with your bonwe, unwe saba, or your boka no hero. We maybe umagbe ana. So please, I want to beg you, everyone. Do you know how many people have called me Boston or second what do you have to my Weibo? I want to give invitation. I will sponsor you, I will buy your ticket, I will do everything. But because of the COVID and all that, okay, no problem. Who am I? Nagboyake wa with associate with and everything. Then you will not tell me where if you're in the union, keep on with it. No. Please, if you want to advise me in a good way. Don't tell me where if illegal quavico, don't. And let me shock you people this morning. Most time when I go to dance with my friend Abatobaze and other people, ekeni totayi evenitana ya tori, God Almighty should reward me with either tori. When I go to dance, ekeni totayi, sometimes people will say, "Hi, Bosto, other way me." I went to a dance one day. They couldn't even see you. Ekeni totayi, I got over 100,000 naira. They might yame. We Bosto me. Yafi. So you not see me spraying. Tomorrow you start saying where Eliot Agbona. No, please. I want to beg it. When my mother came, I talked to my mother. Either explain my I said no, keep on doing it. So please, I want to beg you. Do you know how many people where we bought what we Bosto? You take the mountain story. Lao, you don't go back here. It's so win a property again, so the phone or when you go here. So if they don't have that trust for me, they would do it. And I'm telling you where yet the anime war because of 100 million or 50 million, I will not. Because if not, who will less money go down far, man. A huge sum of money now far, millions of naira with a in-laws man to they even promise to relocate my family to abroad. But I never betrayed the trust the good people have for me, that I have for the good people of Edo State, and they have for me as well. So please, I want to beg you, my brothers, my sisters, don't let my issue be your issue. Please, I beg of you, don't let my issue. I don't want see this social media that I'm into. I'm here to make more friends, to know more people, and by the grace of God, this social media of a thing has been helping me. It has transformed me a lot. It has educated me in many ways. There are things that I don't know before, but through this social media, I was able to learn more. So please, I want to beg every one of you. Abel Stone has his own life to live. You have your life to live. I don't come to Facebook as a live video always, but when you see me, I post pictures a lot. I enjoy myself. That's why I have no copyright to this song. If you know you don't have this song, this song, especially this track too, this song was sung by Untouchable, a boy Maulitano. So please, I want to beg every one of you, anything that you know that you are doing that is helping you, you go ahead and do it. Well, we mean that Manuel, and say worry away you down. I can worry away you down. I don't like me down. So the one in Mewu of favor there, and I'm enjoying it. So please, you can't tell me. Let me tell you, the respect I have for people in the diaspora, only God in heaven knows. Because they gave us over 70% of the electorate. I know somebody in abroad on about 24 Fatima. He sent money for his tenant to where Gwame Wahala to go and vote for God. That's all Baseki. It's not going to say Asrent here. And today we are enjoying the true democracy. Obaseki is ready to do a lot for us, and he's doing it. So please, I want to beg every one of us. The only way we can move this state forward, the only way we can move this country forward is for us to unite. United we stand, divided we fall. So please, I am a Bosto. I have my own bad side. In area in that man, I'm not here to condemn anybody. I'm not here to spoil anybody. I'm only here to make us understand. Because me like it. Who said it bungwe? Who said nobody do where the nena? Me never can have him where we na. Then you not tell me not to appreciate my God. So please, I want to beg every one of you that we should be of good behavior. We should always do good to each other. The Bible will love your neighbor as yourself. What you know you can do to yourself that will be good, do it to others. What you know that if you do it to yourself, again, man, don't do it to others. Can you carry knife? Who swear? No. So we have a plan where we have no way I swear. So please, I want to beg you, every one of you, let's be our brother's keeper. Let's keep on moving. People, you the person to go for you, eh? Not be smart you. Whatever. Etu ma on me gani we ma say e de na no wa go feel boy. Owe ni ake wo do ma wa we gbode. We there ni no wa me de na 2 billion eti do. O salo boa o we mi no ma na gbon. E so we de gun me we ti o ka me. E we wetin be your size. Owe one of my mama pa no Canada, Mrs. Ari Abirene. The owa we show better or tell me go me. O ka me na go you okay, ask your wife. Aside, God go bless all of you now. You know how many of my wife friends tell her that time say me leave me, say no life, say waiting see for my body. But today now many of them now if they want to marry, now me they tell they do chairman of the occasion. My wife will say, oh this life, and we say she not follow her that time she for the regret by now. So this life, nobody know I be now God oh. That's why me I don't respect people when not to get money. Those one when they knew the start life, not the respect. Because I don't know what their tomorrow won't be. So please, allow wo wagawi your body be. That's why you see me all the time. I always post my wife. I post my wife often. If you even check my Facebook now, my WhatsApp status, now my wife picture, and they post her steady because. She don't believe, we don't believe say today go be like this. So if I don't post my wife, wait again, I beg go. So this life, nobody get her. I God get her. Yeah, thank you, my brothers and friends all over the world. I appreciate you guys for your time. Happy weekend to every one of you. May good thing never cease in your life, and let God continue to strengthen us in every area of our life. And we shall move from strength to strength, from glory to glory. Money shall continue to meet money in our hand. We will never beg before we eat. We appreciate God for everything that He has done for us and for what He is about to do. Thank you very much. I see you guys some other time. Remain blessed. Remain faithful in everything that you are doing. And always put God first. God Almighty will always reward your handwork. Thank you very much. God bless you. And may your son, your brother, Abel Stone. Thank you. I appreciate you all.